Hello, Photographers Online Vault members. Todd Lewis here with Charles Lewis Photography, coming to you with a quick announcement. This week we have a live members-only online event that we are presenting, and only you are going to be invited to it. It's an interactive event all on Photoshop techniques, where we're going to allow you to guide Tom and tell him what things you want to have him do in Photoshop and see how quickly and efficiently he can do them. It's going to be kind of an interesting event, and I want to encourage you to sign up for that right now. That is this Thursday, February 16th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to run about 90 minutes or so, between an hour and an hour and a half. And I encourage you to go right now and register for that event. The ability to register for that event is on the Online Vault page. If you go on the right-hand side, you'll see our upcoming events, and you can register for it there. Or if you're watching this on YouTube right now, you can just look at the comments below this video, and the link to register will be right in that video. So go there right now. This is, again, for our members only, all on Photoshop techniques, where we will take your input on what things to do. And don't worry if you don't know what things you want to ask Tom to do. I'm sure there will be other members down there that will be giving him suggestions. And otherwise, he is going to be coming with some key things that he's going to want to be sure to show if no one else has a suggestion of what they want him to do in that particular moment. So we're going to fill that time very, very well. So if you're wondering how to utilize Photoshop in the best way possible, do things very, very quickly and efficiently, the things that we have to do the most as photographers in general enhancement, the things that you have to do almost every single time, then you're not going to want to miss this live interactive event. Can't wait to see you on Thursday, February 16th, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. Talk to you then.